Is there any role of fitness in a human life? Fitness is important for human life because it has many physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Here are some of the key reasons why fitness is important. Improved physical health. Regular exercise and physical activity can help improve cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and increase strength and flexibility. Better mental health. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and can improve mood and overall mental well-being. Increased energy and stamina. Exercise can improve your energy levels and help you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. Better sleep. Regular exercise has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. Increased longevity. Studies have found that people who exercise regularly tend to live longer and have a lower risk of premature death. Improved self-esteem. Exercise can help improve body image and self-confidence, leading to better overall self-esteem. Social benefits. Participating in fitness activities can provide social opportunities, such as group fitness classes or team sports, which can improve social connections and reduce feelings of isolation. Overall, fitness is important for human life because it can improve physical health, mental health, and overall well-being, leading to a happier and more fulfilling life. Benefits of healthy person and drawbacks of weak person. There are many advantages to good health, including improved physical functioning. Good health allows you to move freely, perform everyday tasks easily, and engage in physical activities without limitations. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Maintaining good health can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and some types of cancer. Better mental health. Good health can improve your mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Longer lifespan. People who maintain good health tend to live longer and have a better quality of life in their later years. Improved cognitive function. Good health can improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and concentration. Best tips and techniques for weight loss. Here are some tips that can help with weight loss. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Control portion sizes. Use smaller plates and measuring cups to control your portion sizes. Drink plenty of water. Water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that control appetite and metabolism, leading to weight gain. Reduce stress. Stress can also disrupt hormones that regulate weight, so find ways to manage stress such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Limit your intake of sugary and processed foods. These foods can be high in calories and low in nutrients, and can also lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes that can affect appetite and energy levels. Seek support. Join a weight loss group, work with a personal trainer, or talk to a healthcare professional to get guidance and support along the way. Remember that healthy weight loss takes time and requires lifestyle changes, so be patient and consistent in your efforts. Is there any easy way or method to lose weight? While there is no easy way to lose weight, there are some simple steps you can take to make the process easier. Cut back on calories. One of the simplest ways to lose weight is to reduce your calorie intake. This can be done by cutting back on high-calorie foods and replacing them with lower-calorie options. Eat more fiber. Fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help you feel fuller and reduce your calorie intake. Drink water. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, as well as help your body flush out toxins. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks such as soda, sports drinks, and fruit juices can be high in calories and contribute to weight gain. Get moving. Even light exercise such as walking can help you burn calories and improve your overall health. Sleep well. Getting enough sleep can help regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism, as well as improve your mood and energy levels. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process that requires patience and commitment. Make small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can stick to over time. Best exercises for weight loss. Here are some exercises that can help with weight loss. Cardiovascular exercise, any activity that gets your heart rate up and keeps it there for an extended period of time can help you burn calories. Examples include running, cycling, swimming, and aerobics. Strength training, building muscle can increase your metabolism, which means you'll burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Incorporate exercises such as weightlifting and bodyweight exercises. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, this involves alternating short bursts of intense exercise with recovery periods. It's an effective way to burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. Yoga, although yoga may not burn as many calories as other forms of exercise, it can help reduce stress and promote mindfulness, which can lead to better eating habits and weight loss. Walking, this low-impact exercise is easy to do and can be incorporated into your daily routine. Try walking for 30 minutes a day, or take a brisk walk after meals to aid digestion. Remember, any type of exercise can help with weight loss, as long as you're consistent and make it a regular part of your routine. It's important to find activities that you enjoy. Best weight gain tips and techniques. If you're looking to gain weight, here are some tips. Increase your calorie intake. You need to consume more calories than you burn in order to gain weight. Start by calculating your daily calorie needs, and then add an extra 250 to 500 calories per day to that number. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Choose foods that are high in nutrients such as lean proteins, healthy fats, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid processed and junk foods. Eat frequently. Aim to eat 5 to 6 small meals throughout the day instead of 3 large meals. This can help you consume more calories without feeling too full. Include protein in your diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. Strength train. Incorporate weightlifting and resistance exercises into your routine to build muscle mass. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help support muscle growth and improve overall health. Be patient. Gaining weight is a slow process and requires patience and consistency. Don't expect to see results overnight. Remember, it's important to focus on healthy weight gain by choosing nutrient-dense foods and engaging in regular physical activity. Best exercises for weight gain. To gain weight, you'll want to focus on strength training exercises that promote muscle growth. Here are some exercises that can help with weight gain. Squats. This compound exercise targets the lower body, including the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Squats can be done with weights or with body weight. Deadlifts. Another compound exercise. Deadlifts target the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Deadlifts can be done with barbells, dumbbells, or kettlebells. Bench press. This exercise targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Bench press can be done with barbells or dumbbells. Pull-ups. This bodyweight exercise targets the back, shoulders, and biceps. Push-ups. This bodyweight exercise targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lunges. This exercise targets the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Lunges can be done with weights or with body weight. Shoulder press. This exercise targets the shoulders and can be done with dumbbells or a barbell. Remember, strength training is important for gaining weight because it helps promote muscle growth. It's also important to fuel your body with enough calories and nutrients to support muscle growth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.